In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a thank you page to your SurveyMonkey survey. Whether you're new to SurveyMonkey or just looking to optimize your survey process, adding a thank you page can be a simple but effective way to engage with your respondents and leave a positive last impression. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to surveymonkey.com. This is the starting point for accessing all your surveys and settings. Once you're on the home page, ensure you're logged into your account. If not, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, look for the tab or section labeled All Surveys. This section is typically found on the dashboard, and it houses all the surveys you've created or are currently working on. Click on All Surveys to view a list of your available surveys. Once you see your list of surveys, select the survey to which you want to add a thank you page. Click on the survey title to open it up. Once inside the survey, look for the option that says Edit Survey. Click on this to enter the editing mode where you can make changes and add new elements to your survey. In the editing mode, you'll notice various options for customizing your survey. To add a thank you page, look for the New Page button. This button is usually located in the survey design area, often near the top or the side of the editor. Click on New Page to create a new section at the end of your survey. Now that you have a new page, it's time to add your thank you message. Click into the text box provided on this new page. Here you can type a heartfelt message thanking respondents for their time and participation. Feel free to personalize this message to suit your brand's tone or the purpose of your survey. A simple thank you for completing our survey or something more detailed can be effective, depending on your needs. Once you've crafted your thank you message, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the editing screen. Clicking Save ensures that all your changes are applied and that your thank you page is now part of the survey. And there you have it. You've successfully added a thank you page to your SurveyMonkey survey. This small addition can significantly enhance your respondent's experience by providing a sense of closure and appreciation. It's a great way to leave a positive last impression and perhaps even encourage future participation. Remember, a thoughtful thank you page can convey gratitude and reinforce your connection with your audience. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and that you feel confident adding thank you pages to your future surveys. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for support. Happy surveying!